Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson L3160 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable sleep mode on this printer. So firstly, you need to open the settings and find here printer setup. Scroll right and find here power off settings and sleep timer. So we will need these both features. So power off settings, click on it, and here you can start power off if inactive, power off if disconnected. So for example, if inactive, power off unlimited time, it's off. For example, I don't want to disable my printer when it's inactive, but if you want, if you use your printer rarely, so it will good idea to use this feature, to use this mode. So power off your printer after several hours, for example, after printing. It will save your energy. Or choose sleep timer. Of course you can use sleep and power off timers, but I gonna use only sleep timer, for example. So when inactive, my printer will work only 20 minutes, for example, and afterwards my printer will go to the sleep mode. And to wake up the printer from the sleep mode, I just need to print something using the computer, smartphone connected to Wi-Fi or other type of printing. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.